Marquette.
And welcome to the high point of the year in terms of daylight. And in fact, we've seen our longest days this week, and it's going to continue as we continue through Friday, which is the summer solstice tomorrow at 11:54 Eastern. And then we will continue with 15 hours and 49 minutes of daylight, which we currently have, and that's going to continue through Tuesday. And then we start going the other way, sliding back towards shorter daylight and sliding back, unfortunately, towards winter next Wednesday. The first sunset that will be 9 o'clock or earlier will be on August 15th. And then our shortest day of the year, our shortest days of the year, will start on December 18th with 8 hours and 34 minutes of daylight. But let's enjoy now through next Tuesday. All right, here's our Local 3 radar network. We are dry across Upper Michigan, noticing some radar returns from Grand Marais to Seney, Curtis, and Engadine, but doubtful this is reaching the ground. We have had some high clouds move on through Upper Michigan. That's why I kind of clouded up there for a little bit, but these have moved off to the east. We've cleared on out, and we're going to stay clear through the rest of the night. Strong area of high pressure across northern Ontario. That's what's keeping the heavier rain to the south of us. Heavy rain, flooding rains across southern Michigan, and that's what's keeping our next storm system to the west of us currently. And it's going to keep our next storm system to the west for Friday. And now it's looking like into Saturday. So Saturday we might sneak out a nice dry day, but we'll start clouding up on Saturday. I think our next rain and thunderstorm chance really doesn't come in until we get into Saturday night late on into Sunday. So here's our Local 3 futurecast. Just going to put this into motion. You can see dry conditions through tonight on into the daytime on Friday. Friday night we're dry, and then as we go into Saturday we remain dry, but I think we'll start seeing a little bit more in the way of cloud cover as we go into Saturday afternoon. Warm afternoon, and it's going to be a warm evening away from the shorelines of the Great Lakes, but as you notice, a Lake Superior doing its work again. 58 degrees for Munising, 55 for Copper Harbor, while everyone else is at least around 70 or into the 70s. Tonight, once the sun goes down, temperature is going to drop off pretty good once again. We'll have low temperatures around 40 or into the 40s. Some inland areas could drop into the 30s. Enjoy that late sunset tonight, 9:47 Eastern, 8:47 Central. Here is your extended forecast. Dry weather tomorrow once again, highs around 70 or into the 70s, locally colder near some shorelines of the Great Lakes. And then for Saturday, sunshine once again. Could start to see a little bit more in the way of cloud cover, I think, in the afternoon, but still another dry day, another warm day away from the shorelines of the Great Lakes with highs around 70 or into the 70s. And then we'll start to see some humidity move in for Sunday and also Monday. We'll also have rain move in. That's looking like a pretty good bet on Sunday and also Monday, and some thunderstorms can't be ruled out. High temperatures on Sunday and Monday, 60s, some spots the 70s, and then into the middle to later part of next week, there is potential we could get some good summertime weather in here, so stay tuned for that, with high temperatures potentially by the middle to end of next week in the 70s. Some UP spots could go into the 80s even, and depending on the wind direction through the next 7 days, it will be locally colder near some shorelines of the Great Lakes. No issues out on the water. Here's your Fish and Hunt Shop marine forecast. Waves maybe on eastern Lake Superior could be 1 to 2 feet. You can always get your